You know, AI, like Google's Gemini, it's been a total game changer, right? But let's be honest, it's always had one big problem. It's been stuck inside a browser tab. Well, that is all about to change. We're going to break down how Google's incredible AI is getting a new home right on your Mac, and why this is a much bigger deal than you might think. So let me just ask you this. Does your AI assistant feel like it's trapped? You know that feeling, right? You're deep in your workflow, you're writing some code or a really important email, and you just need a quick answer from Gemini. What do you have to do? You got to stop what you're doing, switch windows, find that one browser tab, and just like that, your focus is completely shattered. It's a huge workflow killer. I like to call it the AI tab juggle. You've got this incredible, powerful brain at your fingertips, but it just feels so disconnected from everything else, like it's in a totally different room. It just makes the whole experience feel clunky, you know? Having this amazing AI stuck in a web app, separate from what you're actually doing on your desktop. Well, guess what? That exact frustration is what Google is finally solving. Gemini is breaking free from the browser because Google has just launched a dedicated native application just for macOS. So you might be asking, what's the big deal with a native app? Well, unlike just a bookmark or a web link, a native app is built from the ground up to speak the same language as your operating system. What does that mean for you? It means it's way faster, it's more responsive, and this is the really key part, it can integrate deeply with everything else happening on your computer. And that deep integration, well, that's what leads to the real magic trick here, your brand new AI shortcut. See, the real game changer isn't just that it's an app now, it's how you access it. We're not talking about hunting for an icon in your dock, we're talking about summoning your AI assistant instantly from absolutely anywhere. And how do you pull off this magic trick? It's with one simple game-changing keyboard shortcut. You just press Option plus space, and bam! Gemini instantly appears ready to go. I mean, just look at how simple this is. No more switching windows, no more opening up your browser, no more hunting for the right tab. You just hit Option and space, and you have instant access to AI. I'm going to say it one more time because this is the whole key. Option plus space. Okay, but this is about way more than just being convenient. This new native app unlocks things that were literally impossible for an AI that was stuck inside a browser tab. So let's dive into what that really means for you. This slide really lays it all out, doesn't it? On the left, you've got the before picture, stuck in a browser, clunky tab switching, and it has no idea what you're doing. Now look at the after on the right. Instant access, it's aware of what's on your screen, and it can even work with files right there on your computer. It's a whole new world. And this unlocks some seriously powerful stuff. You can have Gemini analyze whatever's in your current window, no more copying and pasting. You can literally drag a file from your desktop right into it and start asking questions. And all those other cool tools like image generation or even making video and music, they're all just that one shortcut away. All right, so all of that sounds pretty great, right? You're probably thinking, I want this now, and honestly, I don't blame you. If you're ready to try it, here's the deal. The app is available for free right now for anyone running macOS 15 or newer. You can grab it directly from gemini.google/Mac. But here's something that is absolutely crucial to understand. This app, it's not the end goal. Not even close. Google is making it super clear that this is just step one. This is the foundation for a much, much bigger vision for what an AI assistant can be on your desktop. And you don't have to take my word for it. Listen to what Google themselves are saying. They say, we're building the foundation for a personal, proactive, and powerful desktop assistant. Pay attention to those words, personal, proactive, powerful. That points to a huge ambition, way beyond just a simple chatbot. So when you boil it all down, what's the big takeaway here? The Gemini app for Mac isn't just another button to click. It represents a fundamental shift in how we interact with AI, moving it from a place you have to go to a companion that's always right there with you. Which leaves us with a final and pretty fascinating question. With Google making this huge move and other big players like Apple expected to do their own AI overhauls, are we heading toward a future where our AI assistant actually becomes more important than our operating system itself? That's a big thought, and for sure something we'll be watching very, very closely.